Welcome to this video, regular import of Excel sheet to SharePoint List using Flow. Okay, so here's the story. We have an Excel spreadsheet here, which is imaginatively called Book 1. What does that have inside it? Well, it's just got a little bit of data, two columns, title and data. And I would very much like to regularly load this up into a SharePoint list. How do I do it? Well, Microsoft Flow, of course. So I have a list which has already been created. This is it. It's also got a title and a data column, but it's got no data in it right now, as you can see. So, time to do a flow. So, open. See my flows. All right, create from blank. All right, so we're going to do a flow based on recurrence because I like those. That means it's going to be a nice kind of batch job doing the good work for me while I sleep. Schedule recurrence. All right, so let's say that this happens every day. That'll be fine. Let's just give this flow a name, shall we? Wow, catchy. All right, so we're going to do a get rows on a file. Excel action. So which file is it going to be? Actually, my file is residing in OneDrive. Here we go. And the table name happens to be table query, but it could be anything. All right, so we're doing the get rows. Now we need a new step. We're going to go through each of those rows, so we apply to each. It knows what we want to use. Look at that. I love Flow, it's so predictive. Time for SharePoint. So for each row, we're going to create an item. Just need to choose that custom list I showed you before. It's this one. And then it asks you, well, what data do you want to put in there? And it's highlighting what we get from the get rows action. So we'll do the title for title and data for data. How about that? And that's it. Great, let's test it. Run flow. I love it when a flow comes together. Let's just refresh our list and see. All right, look at that. Of course, there are other actions. We could have cleared down the list before we wrote these new ones, which would have involved iterating through the list contents and deleting the items before writing the new ones. This is something to consider. Hey, maybe that's your homework. If you found today's video useful, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you feel like I could help you with your projects, then reach out.